Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasleem and today in this video I'm gonna tell you some English expressions you can use to sound more polite in English. Okay, instead of saying send me this report, you can say could you please send me this report. So could is a word you can use while you are asking for a permission. Okay, so if you will use could, you will sound more polite in English. Okay, so don't say that I hate tea. You can say I'm not a big fan of drinking tea or taking tea. So if you are saying that I don't like your dress or I hate your dress, you can say that I'm not a good fan of these kind of dresses. So do not say no or do not say all these derogatory things to your listener. You can use these words like please, could, and all these words to sound more polite and to sound more impressive. Okay, so instead of saying I hate this song, you can say I'm not very fond of this song. Okay, when you are going to your relative's house, on that time you sometimes they are asking for you to take tea, but you want to say that I don't like tea, I want coffee. In that case you can say I would like to have a coffee. So don't say directly that I want hamburger. You can use the sentence I would like to have a hamburger, I would like to have a cup of tea, I would like to have a cup of coffee. Okay, so these expressions using would, could will make you sound more polite and impressive while speaking English. Instead of saying that your work isn't good, you can say I'm not quite satisfied with this work. Okay, this will sound more polite in English. Don't say directly that that's a bad idea. You can say I'm not sure that it is a good idea. Okay, and don't say that tell me when you are available. You can say that let me know when you are available. And don't say give me your business card or give me your contact number. You can say do you mind if I use your business card, or do you mind if I take your contact number. Okay, so you can use these expressions, do you mind, I would like to have, and could you please. Okay, so try to use these expressions while you are talking to the strangers, while you are talking to the foreigners. You will seem more confident and you will seem more impressive and polite to them. I hope this video helps you to learn English, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to press that big fat like button because it motivates me to make more videos. And thank you so much for watching this video.